Last year, the exhaust turbine on my turbo suffered some heat damage from unfortunately running too lean. So I replaced the turbo and knew that we had to address our injector situation, especially after my tuner had told me that I should get my injectors serviced. And that's where Autool comes into play when they sent me their CT500 fuel injector cleaner and tester. As many cars in today's day and age, including my FRS, have port and direct injection, it's very important to address both when doing maintenance on your vehicle's fuel system. With a 2-liter ultrasonic cleaning tank built into the CT500 and 15 fuel injector cleaning and testing functions, Autool's CT500 is a must-have for any do-it-yourself automotive enthusiast looking to maximize their vehicle's performance and reliability of their direct and port injection fuel system. And in my case, cleaning and servicing my direct and port injectors fixed my issue and gave me all the confidence in the world to be able to drift this car.